Hello, friends. Good morning. Good morning. I had posted on Twitter early morning, well, not early morning, before market open about the tale of two stocks, one being Bajaj Finserv and the other being PNB Housing. So, this is a trade which is ongoing in Bajaj Finserv. You can see this is the first candle of the day. This is a 5-minute chart, and you can see that it is clearly rejected from the resistance level and it made pattern. And then it was an easy short. So I shorted at 1583.05 and my stop loss was 1588, and I have covered half at 1565, which is my initial target. I'm expecting it to cover up to 1562 and 1557. Let's see how it goes. So I have left half. My stop loss would be now for that position 1575.15. So as soon as targets gets knocked out one by one, my previous target will become my trailing stop loss. That's the methodology that I follow, and I don't intend to give back much money. So if this candle, let's say this is now 1 2 3 4 5 candles uh, down red, right, and if I get one more long range candle, that would probably mean exit this position, or unless it takes supports at 1565. Should come to 1562 easily, and probably from there it could get a bounce. So let's see how it goes. I have placed some more covering order at 1562.2. My trade is in cash, purely cash, no options or no futures. Okay, so finally, one thing I always like to close my trades with here, stop loss over here. And so what I have booked is half at 3R, looking for 4R to 5R. That's it. Very much. I hope like this video and the logic of entry, and the targets are all Fibonacci based, so nothing great about that. So if there is any questions that you want me to address, please do comment, and or let me know your feedback. Thank you very much.